We just need some markers, maybe a ruler, and crayons. As an example, I'm going to make a big square. I'm going to do it freehand, but you can use your ruler if you want. The process is very simple. You have to join the corner with the following side and repeat the process again and again. Look, corner with the other side, and again and again and again. Let's try now with some of the figures. I have the square, a triangle, a rhombus or diamond, and a rectangle. And the process is the same. Just join corner with the following side of the figure. That's the result. Nice, isn't it? Now is the time to let your imagination free. That's my idea, but you can try whatever you want. Finally, you can paint your creation. Enjoy and see you. Bye bye.